So in today's video I am going to make a small nerf gun video. Let us see. And like this, the gun you got, and first the 2 bullets you get 2 holes, and you should put 1 bullet like this, and another bullet like this, and a front bullet to shoot. You should take like this and put it like this. And now I will back there be a lever. You should pull it, and again you should shoot it. And this is the gun. You get 3 bullets with this, and you will not get any instructions to this. The instructions will be here. I will keep a glue bottle and show you how I am shooting the target correctly or not. And this is the target. I'm going to shoot it. This is my first chance. I have 3 chances. I'm going to use the first one. Oh, first bullet is the correct one. Now I'm hitting the another bullet. The second bullet also. And the third bullet goes. Yeah, man. I bet it. And that's all. Like, share and subscribe my channel.